Hello and welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Indeed, I have a strange machine here. And I am looking for assistance. For as you see, right now we're in 64 mode. And it does weird stuff. And now I'll go in 40 column 128 mode. And it does weird stuff. But here's what's even weirder. I'll go into 128 mode and 80 column mode. And it comes up just fine. So this is peculiar. Now this keyboard is not in great shape, so I'm not testing this. Anyway, as I said on here, 4 and 1 flashed 8 times. C128 dead. Oh, sorry, yeah, that's a dead test. Unfully populated. And the 781222 test kind of works, but not really. Other dead test 8 flashes. RAM of some sort. Color screen. U55 hot. 80 column mode comes up. 40 go. This is peculiar. Now where? Excuse me. U55. Yeah, that's hot. I don't even know what U55 is. Let's see what we can find. I was just looking at the thing on Weasel's World. Google. Commodore 128 U55. Commodore 128 board repairs, Adam's vintage computer restorations. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, it's got a picture of a Commodore 128. Alongside purchasing complete systems over the past few years, I've accumulated a large quantity of incomplete circuit boards for spares and repairs. Yeah. Handful of 128 boards. Oh, this is going to take a while to go through. This is going to take a while to look through. Oh, well, at first, okay, what do we got here? Okay, so we have a thing here. It does make reference to U55. It's a 74 LS 245. And it also mentions some others, all of which interface with the video subsystem. I removed U17 and tested it using my Mini Pro, and it failed intermittently. So the socket for the new part, the problem was resolved. Interesting. Alright, well, yes, if you have seen anything like this on a 128, let me know. I'm curious. I would welcome your wisdom in this matter. I would. So now I have to figure out what it is that I'm doing. What is this? Populated works. Okay. So this computer works. It does. This one is weird. Very, very strange. Okay. I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to turn this off. Oh yeah, get the keyboard off. That is always a testy thing I am finding more and more, that a screwdriver is helpful. Funny, the single layer sort of keyboard thing, they made this kind of smaller. They did. It only fits one way, but still, it has difficulty. So now I have to decide. What do I do? That's off. That's off. Okay. I'm tempted, of course, to repopulate. Okay. Does this have something else written on the bottom? It does not. Surgery. I'm tempted to take the chips back out of this and put them in that other one, because I know that it works. Very strange. Very strange. Okay. But I don't think I'm going to pop all the chips quite yet. Not at this juncture. I don't think so. But I think I will. Because, of course, this thing needs to go into surgery. Alright, well, that is strange. Once again. Oh. Oh, I don't feel good. Oh, I don't feel good. Oh, I don't feel good. Oh, why is this unplugged? Oh, I guess I unplugged it. That will do it. Okay. Are we charging? We're charging. Okay, so if you have a Commodore 128 and it works in 128 mode in 80 columns, but not in the other two, let me know what you find. Let me know what you know. You never know, you know. Anyway, thanks for coming. Bye for now.